Have you ever heard of a bird that rocks a natural tuxedo, can fly, but absolutely loves to go for a slide on the ice? If you guessed a penguin, you're spot on. Today, let's dive into the wonderful world of these fascinating birds. Penguins are total pros in the water, clocking speeds up to 22 kilometers per hour. It's like they're underwater torpedoes. Most of them hang out in the southern hemisphere, with many species being tough enough to call the icy landscapes of Antarctica home. Did you know they come in all sizes? The majestic emperor penguin stands over a meter tall, while the adorable little blue penguin is just about 30 centimeters high, so tiny. What's really heartwarming is that penguins often mate for life, and both parents share the duty of keeping their precious eggs warm. And that famous waddle, it's every bit as cute and clumsy as you think. If you enjoyed these cool facts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal adventures. Thanks for watching.